Hi, I'm Andy from Heritage Parts Centre, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the fuel line kit for the Mark II Golf with a KR engine. Unlike the original hoses, these are made with non-corroding stainless steel fittings, have a braided hose with a clear coating for protection against dirt and grime. They have angled fittings, unlike the originals, to enable easy fitment and to avoid kinks. These hoses are made by Goodrich, who are the go-to manufacturer for top quality fuel and brake hoses. If your injector lines are corroded or leaking, then the hoses for the Mark II Golf with a KR engine are the perfect replacement. These are for vehicles which have the M12 injectors. Not only are they top quality, but they also look good too. And for more Goodrich products, please see the range on our website.